Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone on your iPhone. Simply open your settings, scroll down, sound and haptics, showing it to ringtone. So as you can see, not showing it to exactly at this option. So go back. Okay, alright. Like I'm open my file apps and you just select any sound, audio, ringtone. Like I'm select this sound. Okay. At first rename this, long press to rename. Press on right mark. Okay. And open this. Press on to share option. Scroll down, you get use as ringtone option. Okay, now successfully create this ringtone. So that's it.